Let me tip my bike over.
So the way we're going out, we're going to be headed straight. I want to try an experiment. We'll just go down 72 so as to make it there quick enough to get Alexis. Put Tom in the middle to start with, and then when we get to the school, I want Fish to switch up to the front.
To the very front. Go, Tom.
Yeah, the school, I want you at Arcs Mortis. Once we approach there, I want to put Fish in front and Tom in the middle and me in the back.
Yeah, my bike don't like sitting still.
Does it get hot?
No. It just likes moving. It's like a wild dog.
A wild dog or a hog?
Wild dog.
Woof woof. Oh yeah, all that crud was in the road up here.
Like a wild canine.
Oh, there's a squirrel just sitting here. He ain't gonna move.
And the squirrel just sitting there. And he's like, what are y'all doing on my road? Keith hit the squirrel.
No, I hit something in the road that kicked my back wheel sideways.
You alright?
He's still upright.
Yeah, I was checking. What's up with all the squirrels? Are they attracted to the Harley today?
I think so. The Harley makes a squirrel mating call.
Or here's your nuts rattling on it and it's coming running.
Yeah.
Gravel in the road, so y'all.
We're squirreling it.
Oh.
We're watching out for Yakuzana squirrels. Bad part of the road.
A katana squirrel?
Yeah.
Is this Highway 72?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Well, I'm losing y'all.
Yeah, we lost it.
Well, I'm going slow to see if you get a chance to pull out. Have you pulled out?
Hold on. I'm letting you know I'm on my way. Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm doing 116.
Yeah, I can hear you now. You're doing 100 and what? 150?
Good. vehicle behind. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, I heard that.
So it does play a difference, our position. Hey look, it's a motorcycle brethren. Alright, now I'll slow down and let fish come ahead. And Tom in back and me in the middle. Pass me, freight train. Yeah, you take leader position.
Coming through. Who, me? Pass you. What?
See how fish, you look funny with the GoPro on the side of your helmet.
Yeah, I always look funny either way.
You actually match your bike. Okay, we're dropping down. Tom, you get in the middle.
I'm changing lanes. I have to say though, that's fun as hell when I have to punch it and go around, just launch it and just fly. It's like I'm on a fighter jet. Dang, y'all about an hour back. Oh, okay. We're turning to your house, right? Okay. Which road should I take? Pine Street or the road before? Oh, okay. I'll take Pine this time. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. You can call me Maverick.
Yep, like Top Gun. Call you Maverick. This is the clearest it's been. Keith up front, Tom in the middle, me in the back. Yeah, that's the way it was doing back here. Now it should, because we're all close together, but